We'll guide you through how to extrude outward in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start a new project to prepare your workspace for modeling. If the default cube is not needed, press X and confirm to delete it so you can begin with a clean scene. Next, add a new object by pressing Shift+A. Then choose Mesh Cube or any other shape you prefer to work with. Select the object by left-clicking on it to make sure it is active. Press Tab to enter Edit Mode, which allows you to modify the geometry of the object. Switch to Face Select Mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard so you can work specifically with faces. Click on the face you want to extrude outward to highlight your selection. Press E on your keyboard to activate the Extrude tool, which will create new geometry from the selected face. Move your mouse away from the object to extrude the face outward in a visible direction. Left-click to confirm the extrusion distance once you are satisfied with how far it extends. To control the direction more precisely, press E again, then press Z, X, or Y to constrain the extrusion along a specific axis. Move the mouse again while constrained and click to confirm the extrusion along that axis. If you want a more uniform outward extrusion along the surface normals, press Alt+E and choose Extrude Faces along normals from the menu. Move your mouse to adjust how far the face extrudes outward evenly across its surface. Finally, left-click to confirm the extrusion and complete the process. You can repeat these steps on different faces to build more complex forms and refine the overall shape of your model. Remember that small movements of the mouse result in subtle extrusions, while larger movements create more dramatic extensions. If the extrusion does not look correct, you can press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again with better control. Practicing both free extrusion and axis-constrained extrusion will help you understand spatial direction more clearly. Using the normals option is especially useful when working with curved surfaces because it maintains even thickness. Continue experimenting with different faces and extrusion distances to gain confidence and improve your modeling workflow in Blender over time as you practice regularly and explore more tools.